Where's your sister? Where's Addie? Let's go find Addie. Let's go find her. Come on, let's go. Oh, there she is. Here she comes. Oh, Addie. Your picture's getting taken. Oh, time to play. Come on, play, dogs. Let's play. Yeah. Don't play with me. Play with each other. Come on, get her. Get Addie. Oh, yeah. Playtime. Playtime. Oh, yeah. Oscar knows how to play. Oh, there we go. We got to fight. Dog fight. Oh, yeah. That's good playing. Is that it? You gonna do more? Come on. Show off for the camera. Come on, show off. Come on, Oscar. Get Frida. Get Frida. Get her. Get her. Oh, Addie, are you gonna get her? What? You want to sit up? You want to sit up? Oh, isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? I'll bet you did that for Dave. Yeah, I'll bet you did. Oh, Addie, are you going to sit up? Oh, yeah? You want to squat? Yeah, maybe we should have some supper and show off. You want to do that? Are you hungry? Yeah? Oscar, I'm sure you're hungry. Yeah, okay, here we go. Here we go. You think you can help me now? I'm not sure how to get this down on the floor because I usually put them both down. Oh, okay, Addie, are you gonna pretend you're a seal? Okay. Oh, that's a good girl, Frida. Oh, Addie, are you hungry? Okay, I'm gonna have to feed you first. Oh, Addie's first. No, Addie's first. I know. I usually give you both here. Okay. Oh, Frida. Oh, hey, Frida. Here. I didn't forget you. Oh, I don't normally do it that way, though. You usually both get fed at the same time. Now, that has to be a familiar picture for you two. You've seen them eating like that before, and they are troopers with their eating ever since we just adopted what you've been feeding them. So I think they're going to be busy for the next few minutes. And then Oscar, he's going to look at his food. Well, maybe he won't look at it too long. And let's see now. Oh, there does happen to be a little bit of rice in there. Oh, I'll have one piece. Yes, Oscar has really become an aggressive eater since Addie and Frida have been here. There's a second piece. Well, I think this could be a 38-minute video if we watch Oscar eat. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, as you well know, Addie's going to be the first one done. So I'm going to send this off. Enjoy.